Nathan, are you a turtle? You're a turtle? You're a turtle, me love. Nathan, are you a turtle? Wow, you're floating. Wow. You're floating. You're floating. Wow, very good. Ito, yung Canyon Cove dito sa Nasugbu, Batangas. Meron silang floaters doon, guys. Nathan, you look at mommy. Nathan, look at here. Look at mommy. Guys, si Nathan kayang-kaya na niya kasi may floater siya. May life vest siya. Kaya kayang-kaya na niyang mag-swimming by himself. Wow, very good. Wow, use your other hand. Use your other hand. Wow, you're floating. You're floating. Help! You're wow, you're floating. You're floating. Ah! Namo guys. Nag-enjoy siya. Nathan. It's a shell? Are you sure it's a shell? It's a stone, not a shell. It's a stone. It's a stone, not a shell. Oh no. It's a stone. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy and go back. Yeah, here lang. Oh, there. Go there. There's a treasure there, Dow. He wants to find the treasure.
So many questions, Anita.
Oh, what are you doing? treasure? It's a rock. It's a rock.
Bye-bye. Okay. We need to wash it.
You need to wash it. You wash it. Wait for the wave. Wait for the wave lang, Mommy said. It's done. It's done. Give it to Mommy. Thank you.
I want to get another set.
Another stone. Sige. Hey! Hey! Ayun, nanghiram. Nanguha, hindi sa kanya. Hey, that's not yours! Hey! Nathan! Give it back! Give it back! Give it back! Give it back! Hala, Nathan! It's not yours! Nathan! Give it back, Nathan! Hey! Nathan, give it back!
Next time, magdala na lang tayo.
Nathan!
Hey, put it back, Nathan.
Give it back!
Give it back.
Give back, give back, give back!
Nahulog doon.
But hindi yan sa amin eh.
Nathan. Hey, it's not yours.
Give it back!
It's not yours. Oh, yes. Also, it will be mad.
Yan. Yan guys.
It's not yours.
Nanghiram si Nathan. I mean, nanguha lang. Hindi nanghiram. Hindi hiniram. Binigay na lang ng pisa. Pero ibabalik na.
Make a foot.
Sige. Mamaya ulit. Bye.
We'll make a castle here.